question is calculate age of a person. So first you need to think how to solve this problem. So for this problem, first you have to take input from user is birth year. Okay. So after birth year, after getting birth year, you have to uh, subtract that birth year from current year, and then you will get age of that person. So how to solve this? So first, here will be three steps. In this program we will have three steps. Input, first input birth year, from user. Then next step is calculate age, then next is display age. Okay, means these are the three main steps in our program. So first we need to take input from user, that is birth year. So we will take, so birth year will be always integer value. So we will take here birth year, variable birth year, we have taken birth year. So birth year will be always integer. Because of that we are using int function for typecasting input value. So I will give here prompt message, enter, please enter birth year. Okay. Now user will input here birth year. Now we will display on the console also that your birth year is, your birth year is okay. So in this way we will print on the console. Next we need to, what we need to do, we want to calculate the age. So how to do that? So first we have to take current year. We will take one variable, current year is equal to, now it is 2022. So current year is 2022. So age of person is, age is equal to, so current year minus birth year. So birth year I have taken, so it will calculate age of the person. Now I got age here. So next step is display age on the console. How to display that? So I will take here print. I will use here f string. So your birth year is, so first we will take birth year is, that is birth year we have taken in variable birth year, and age is, in which variable we have age, in age variable. So we will take here age. So in this way, here three steps we have completed. First taking input from the user, then calculated age, then display age on the console. So we will run this code. First you have to save and then run. So now, for example, I am taking here 1996. So it is giving your birth year is 1996, and finally we have given here your birth year is 1996 and age is 26. So in this way you can calculate. Now again we will run this. So I will give here 1984. So it will be 38. Means in this way you can get here birth year and age. So in this way you can take, first we are taking input from the user, that is age. Why we have taken int? Because birth year will be always integer value, it can't be float. Because of that we have used int function. And after getting birth year, so birth year we got in this birth year variable. Then next is we have taken current year, that 2022. This is current year. And how to calculate age? So age will be calculated as current year minus birth year. So I have taken here current year, that is 2022, and minus birth year, whatever user has input that value. Then age is calculated, and using f string we are printing that age on the console. So in this way we can calculate age of a person.